Snoring, the Good, the Bad, and the Ugly by Mary Coupland. Snoring is a noisy breathing pattern that occurs when airflow is obstructed while sleeping. It can be soft or loud and is often caused by relaxed throat muscles. Snoring can be a normal occurrence, but it can also indicate a sleep disorder or other health issues. Snoring is one of those things that's both common and frustrating. It can be harmless, hilarious, or even a serious health issue. Let's break it down. The good. It could be funny. Let's be honest. Sometimes snoring sounds ridiculous. From soft purring to full-on chainsaw mode, the variety can be amusing if you're not the one trying to sleep. It's often harmless. Light, occasional snoring is usually nothing to worry about. It could be a sign of deep sleep. Some people snore more when they're really relaxed, which can mean they're getting good rest, even if their partner isn't. The bad, sleep disruption. Loud snoring can wake up the snorer or their partner multiple times a night, leading to fatigue and crankiness. Health risks. Chronic snoring can be a symptom of sleep apnea, a condition where breathing stops and starts during sleep, increasing the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. It can get worse with age. As we get older, our throat muscles weaken, making snoring more common. The ugly, social embarrassment. Snoring loudly on a plane, in a hotel, or even during a movie nap can be a bit humiliating. Extreme volume. Some snorers reach decibel levels comparable to a lawnmower, seriously, up to 90 decibels. Medical complications. If snoring is due to sleep apnea, it can lead to chronic oxygen deprivation, headaches, memory issues, and even depression. Men versus women, snoring differences. Men snore more. About 40% of men snore regularly, compared to 24% of women. This is partly because men tend to have narrower air passages. Hormones play a role. Estrogen and proestrogen seem to help keep the airway open, which is why premenopausal women snore less than men. After menopause, snoring rates go up. Weight factor. Snoring is more common in overweight individuals, and men tend to store fat around the neck more than women, increasing their risk. Women are more likely to underreport it. Men usually get called out for snoring, while women may be more likely to deny it or not even realize they do it. How snoring affects relationships. Sleep divorce. Many couples end up sleeping in separate rooms due to loud snoring. This can actually save a relationship if sleep deprivation is causing resentment. Blame game. If one partner keeps the other awake, it can lead to irritation, passive aggressive comments, and even full-blown arguments. Loss of intimacy. Sleep in a park can sometimes lead to emotional and physical distance. Funny moments. Some couples find ways to joke about snoring, recording each other's noises, or making it a running gag. Have you or your partner dealt with snoring issues? If so, has it been a deal breaker, or have you found ways to manage it? Communication is key. Openly discussing the issue with your partner and working together to find solutions is crucial. Solutions. Lifestyle changes. Losing weight, avoiding alcohol and sedatives before bed, and avoiding large meals before bedtime. Nasal strips. Nasal strips are adhesive strips placed on the nose to widen nostrils and increase airflow. They can reduce snoring and improve breathing by decreasing air resistance in the nasal passages. However, nasal strips may not address snoring caused by complex underlying issues like obstructive sleep apnea. Mouthpieces. Mouthpieces, also called mouth guards, reduce snoring by expanding the airway, holding the tongue in place, or in some cases, both. Sleeping position. It may also help to ask the snorer to sleep with their head elevated or avoid sleeping on their back. Pillows. Anti-snore pillows are wedge-shaped pillows that elevate the head and neck to keep airways open and your head and neck in alignment to support the respiratory airways. The bottom line, using large or too many pillows may be soft for your head, but bad for snoring and breathing patterns. Make sure your pillow keeps your head tilted slightly backwards or in a neutral position. Food. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel, help decrease inflammation and support better breathing. Herbs and spices such as turmeric, ginger, and garlic possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce snoring and enhance breathing. CPAP machine. If it's sleep apnea, a CPAP machine can be a game changer. Earplugs and white noise. If you're the non-snoring partner, this might save your sanity. Use a decongestant if you're congested. Exercise regularly. Music. Listen to music before bedtime. Is it my fault if I snore? Although some snoring may be caused by allergies, blocked nasal passages, excess weight, or sleep position, the noises may occur simply because the organs and tissues in your throat are set up to do so. The good news is it may be completely natural and normal for you to snore.